How to add Ads.txt file in WordPress for AdSense. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to add Ads.txt file in WordPress for AdSense. First of all, you need to log in your Google AdSense account. Then you need to click on sites and then click on your site URL. Once you click on your site URL, then click on ads.txt snippet and copy the code from here. Then go to your WordPress dashboard, and here you need to bring your cursor to plugins and then click on add new. And in this search box you need to search for file manager. Then click enter, and you need to install this first plugin. Click on install now. Once it's installed, click on activate. Okay, so now my plugin is activated. Now in this sidebar you can see an option of WP file manager. I'll click on it. Now we are in the directory of our website right here, so we want to make sure that we have not clicked any of these folder, but we are in the root directory. We need to click on this button right here where it is written new file, and then click on txt plain text. I'll name it ads.txt and then I'll click enter. I'll right click on this folder and then I'll click code editor. Now as you can see, it's empty. I'll just paste the code I copied from Google AdSense. Then I'll click save and close. Alright, so now that we have done this, we want to do one last thing, and that is we want to go and view this file from our website itself when we are not logged out into our site, to see if it's actually populated and it's available on the broader internet. I'll just copy the URL of my page and then I'll paste it here, and I'll just simply write /ads.txt and then I'll click enter, and I can see that I have my ads.txt file that I've just created visible right here. So now what's going to happen is that over the next 2 days or 3 days, Google is going to rescan your website and check for this file which we know that exists right here, and after 2 days your site will be good to go. One last thing which is really important thing to do is to remove this plugin. Once you have updated the ads.txt file and you have confirmed that the ads.txt file is visible by Google, then you can definitely remove this plugin. This is very important for the security of your website. There is nothing dangerous about this plugin, but this is a very powerful plugin that if you don't need to be modifying the underlying files of your site, it's really best to deactivate and then delete. It will not delete the ads.txt file that we just uploaded earlier. We can reconfirm that. So this is how to add ads.txt file in WordPress for AdSense. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.